Hey everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most practical, time-saving Excel tools for logistics, marketing, planning, and location-based decision-making. Every day we help marketers, retailers, delivery teams, and operations managers eliminate repetitive tasks and get accurate distance and driving time data instantly, all from inside Excel. And today I want to tell you a quick story about how a regional marketing agency dramatically improved their campaign targeting using our Excel driving distance calculator for Google Maps. This agency manages promotions for multiple clients across the Midwest, and one of their biggest challenges was figuring out accurate driving time radius zones around each client's store or service center. Every time they planned a promotion, whether it was direct mail, geo-targeted ads, SMS, or email, they needed to know exactly which customers were within a 10-minute, 15-minute, and 20-minute driving radius. For their campaigns, driving time mattered far more than the driving distance. But before they found us, that process was painful. They were copying customer addresses into Google Maps one at a time, checking the driving time from each store, manually recording the results, and then pasting them back into Excel. If you've ever done that, you know how slow and repetitive it is. Doing it for hundreds and thousands of addresses could easily take an entire day. And forget doing it for multiple store locations. It wasn't just inefficient, it was almost impossible to scale. And that's where our Excel driving distance calculator made a huge difference for them. And what immediately stood out to them was the tool doesn't just calculate distance. It pulls real Google Maps driving times, which is exactly what their team needed for campaign radius targeting. The best part? Incredibly easy to use. They just pasted all their customer or lead addresses directly into the tool. No formatting headaches, no complicated setup. They just clicked calculate button, and that was it. Excel automatically connected to Google Maps and pulled accurate driving distances and driving times straight into the spreadsheet. No switching programs, no tab hopping, no copy paste. Just instant reliable results built for exactly the kind of targeting they needed. Now their workflow is completely different. They drop in new addresses, click once, and within seconds they get a clean list showing exactly which customers fall within their 10, 15, 20-minute campaign radius. It completely transformed how they plan promotions. Their targeting is more precise, their ad spend is more efficient, and their clients love how quickly they can launch new campaigns without waiting on manual data prep. And they're just one of thousands. We've helped over 7,000 happy customers across all kinds of industries streamline their work using tools just like this one. We're also incredibly proud to have earned over 150 five-star reviews on Google, real feedback from people who rely on our tools every single day. Businesses love our Excel tools for a few simple reasons. They're fast, they're accurate, they're easy to use, and there is nothing to install. Everything runs directly inside Excel. You get world-class support whenever you need it. And one of the biggest advantages, every tool is a one-time purchase. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just a simple, affordable solution that saves you hours of work every week. So if your team needs to target customers by driving time, driving distance, or service radius, definitely check out our Excel driving distance calculator for Google Maps. The link is in the description. And if you ever need a custom Excel tool built for your business, feel free to reach out to me directly at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss our next time saving Excel tool. Till next time.